TV trace. Please, you can have a seat now. Yes. Shabai! Shabai! We need jobs and the answer is we need jobs and the answer is we need jobs and the answer is thank you. Shabai! Shabai!
Yes, I don't know, yes, the time again. Yes. Yeah. Shabai! Yes, Pinabole, I like to count down. If you are here, our opening prayer after.
Chobai! So, Bala, you don't have to know in Namunpo. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Police station executives are better than better. Kezaira, Chaplor, at the sample, Tinanta, to Prokamuna, Honorable Kent, Kennedy Agyapong. Police station executives are here. Okay, yes. Agye pouring. Kahuma a coordinators are better. Yep, and the Miss Watcher upload. Ken. Coordinators that we have 37 electoral areas. All the coordinators line up here. Thank you. Yes. Okay. I will invite patrons and elders to also do same. But patrons and their elders here yes, patrons and elders. Thank you. Yes, we have the man here. Now we go and call on the constituency executives. The constituency executives. You put the same point to not touch it. Kennedy. Yes. Chobai. Kukuru. Kanwo. Osaya. Kanwo. Osaya. Kanwo. Constituency chairman ka uyi approve at the summer not 2 hour ache ka timba nuru approve at the constituency chairman honorable tie the boy alias the heavyweight.
Chobai! I stand on behalf of the Constituency Executive Committee, patrons and elders of our great party, electoral area coordinators, all polling station executives across the rank and file of our party, and all party peoples present. It is a great pleasure to have in our midst a high-profile personality of our great party, who is here to seek our mandate to lead our great party and possibly grant us victory in 2024 general election. At this point, I will want to take much of his time. I will use this opportunity to formally welcome His Excellency to be Kennedy Agyapong to the resources. Your Excellency, your grassroots executives, your grassroots executives, your president to be. Thank you.
Thank you. Honorable Tia Popori, alias the heavyweight champion. Yeah, come on, Lurgo. Trouble! Yes, in our midst, we have one of us that we call Armstrong. I invite Armstrong to take over and introduce our dignitaries for us. Thank you. Let's welcome Armstrong.
Thank you very much. Put your hands together for him. Put your hands together for him. Choboy! Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for yourselves. Put your hands together for yourselves. Bose Mamoho, Choboy! With much louder noise. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Choboy, the man destined to be the next president of the Republic of Ghana is Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Choboy, Japa constituency. I think I need to make this admission. Honorable Ken has visited a lot of constituencies and a lot of regions in Ghana. Everywhere he has gone to, the people of the constituency have given him massive welcome. In fact, when he got to Japa constituency, you have given him an overwhelming welcome. Put your hands together for yourselves. Ladies and gentlemen, Choboy, on this note, it is important for me to bow to honor the kind of rousing welcome you have given to the next president of the Republic of Ghana. God richly bless you. God bless you for the massive welcome you have given to Inshallah, the next president of the Republic of Ghana. Put your hands together. Choboy, Kukudu, the last one. Everywhere it is recognized that it is only Honorable Kennedy Agyapong that can break the age for the new Patriotic Party. So everywhere, Choboy, the response to the third one goes like this: breaking the 8 with 10. That is the response to the third Kukudu. We are starting again. Kukudu, a sheep. Kukudu, a sheep. The last one, I hope you do remember. Breaking the 8 with 10. Kukudu, a sheep with 10. Wonderful. Put your hands together again for yourselves. Choboy, ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong is here. He's ever ready to be invited to the mic to have a conversation with you. But he came here with Team Ken because of time. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to do it with full speed to introduce a few of the people that he came with. Ladies and gentlemen, I at this time want to recognize the presence of the Bono East Regional Youth Organizer of the New Patriotic Party. Put your hands together for Charles Arnold. Choboy, ladies and gentlemen, once again, put your hands together to recognize the presence of the Central Regional Youth Organizer of the New Patriotic Party, Mr. Ken. Choboy, ladies and gentlemen, I have the pleasure to recognize the presence of a son of the Northern Region, a lecturer at the University of Ghana, and one of the major campaigners for the next president of the Republic of Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Dr. Al-Hassan Suleiman. And I'm sorry, Choboy. Ladies and gentlemen, quickly let us go to the eastern region of Ghana. Let us go to Kweru. I want to recognize the presence of the Kweru and Brayaso constituency chairman. Ejemowa is here. For him. Chobe, quickly let us return to the Upper West region. I am happy to introduce to you the Upper West Regional Coordinator for the next President of the Republic of Ghana. Your own brother, Mr. Latif, is the Upper West Regional Coordinator for Team Ghana. Chobe, ladies and gentlemen, Ghana has had so many GFA presidents, but on record in the history of football in Ghana, ladies and gentlemen, one former president of GFA stands tall amongst all the presidents of GFA. Ladies and gentlemen, Hon Kennedy Agyapong is here with the finest and the best, all-time best GFA president, former GFA president of the Republic of Ghana. Put your hands together to recognize the presence of lawyer Choboy. Ladies and gentlemen, I am happy at this time, before I officially recognize the presence of the next president and subsequently invite him to the mic to have a conversation with you. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as we welcome Dr. Hanasoya to have a word with you. Put your hands together to welcome him.
Thank you very much, Mr. Armstrong. Choboy!
Hey!
Choboy!
Hey!
Choboy!
Hey!
If we need jobs, the answer is Ghana needs jobs, the answer is
Can!
we all need jobs, the answer is
Can!
I was very happy when I came in here and I heard our ladies singing this song. I think that was Agye Ken and Mama Ken. I'm told now the ladies have taken over our candidate. Agye Rumo, are you there? Yes, that's Agye Ken. Agye, are you there? Say Mama Ken, Agye Ken. I think I became Dada Ken or Baby Ken or I don't We are all in the Ken family. The most important thing is that jobs are very key in Ghana today. How many of you are salary workers? Please, by hands. If you get money by the end of the month, let me see your hand. People like us, let me also.
Yeah, I don't know to address your.
Yes.
Yes, I never get to address your.
So
Tell me, look at them.
just if so, we are just few people. We are just few, not up to 10. Thank you very much. So how about the other people? What happens to them? What happens to them? They are jobless, but they need jobs. And we are saying that the only candidate, the only aspirant of all the 10 aspirants, the only aspirant of all 10 aspirants who can give you jobs is nobody, no any other person except Hon Kennedy Agyapong. Why am I saying so? Because even as an MP, he has been able to create 7,000 jobs for Ghanaians. in your in the language? 7,000. To your point, imagine one person, one individual having the capacity to your point, one individual who can create 200 paying jobs for Ghanaians, one individual. That person is Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. If anybody comes to you, any other aspirant, asking you to give him your mandate, asking you to give him your vote, ask that aspirant, how many jobs have you created for Ghanaians? Ask that person. So we are pleading with you that we are all here, all of us, campaigning for Honorable because we know what he can do. We know what he has done. That's why we are convinced that we can tell what he can do, isn't it? Our elders say that when somebody says he'll give you a hat, look at the person's head. They say, well, why? If you tell me that you give me a cap, I'll say, yes, I'll believe you because you have a cap on your head. If you tell me you give me a hat, I'll start thinking, the man has no hat. How can he give me a hat? You know. So, Honorable says, vote for me. I can solve unemployment problem. I can solve the job problem. All of us here, less than 50 people are working for government and getting paid every month. In order for us to have jobs in the country, in order for us to have employment, the only person who has the record, who has done it before, and can do more of that, and if he was an MP and can do 7,000 jobs, if and when he becomes president, he can do 7 million jobs for Ghanaians. When I was leaving Accra yesterday, I was happy because I was coming to WA to support Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. He has advised all of us, don't insult anybody, tell them what I have done, and based upon that, they will vote for me. So our campaign is not insult. Our campaign is not insult. We don't mention anybody's name. We give you the work of Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, what he has done before and what he can do for us. Let me tell you, when I visited Honorable Kennedy Agyapong in the house for the first time, he asked me 2 questions. And before I went to him, I had met 3 different candidates. 3 different candidates. They called me to their houses to ask me to campaign for them. But when I listened to their messages, I was not convinced. 3 different candidates called me to their houses and told me, Dr. Namzoya, campaign for me. I want to become Ghana's president. And I asked the person, why? He gave me his reasons. I left the house. Second person called. He gave reasons. I left the house. Third person called and even came to my office on Legon campus, gave me his reasons. I left him. But when Honorable Kennedy Agyapong called me to the house, he said, Doctor, tell me why in the whole northern Ghana we can't have fresh maize all year round. Tell me why. We can't have fresh maize, corn in the whole north all year round. How come that we have only maize farming season when we harvest? We spend 6 months from November to March doing nothing, waiting for rains to come again. What? We don't have irrigation. Take it from me. And you know what he said? He answered the question. I am going to do irrigation farming in northern Ghana and ensure that you can do maize all year round.
This is the man.
When I left his
Yes.
house that day, I put on social media, I declare for Ken. That same day. Somebody sent me messages. What's up? Dr. Namzoya, what has Ken given you? Dr. Namzoya, phone calls were coming. Doctor, what's happening to you? I said, Ken gave me his ideas, and I accept the ideas. Can you imagine if we are doing irrigation farming in northern Ghana? Will we have Kayayo again? Can you imagine if we are doing all year round farming? Will you be poor in the north again? No. So if such a person has come forward wanting to become president, what do we do? What do we do? We support. So are you prepared to support him? Yes. If you are prepared, let's have your hands. Hey! Okay, so I know the evening has been fast spent, we have been tired, and therefore I will ask permission and sit down. But before I sit down, my plea to you, on 4th November, when you go to vote, think about the man who has plans to ensure that you do all year farming. Think about the man who has plans to stop Kaya you going to the south. Think about the man who has plans to help you create jobs and make money out of that. Thank you very much.
In time, the best GFA president, lawyer, Kwesi Nyantechi. Bosemano, Waboni Ababa Chuchukomo, Bosemano.
Choroi, Yanola. You like Kwesi Nyantechi? Kaduwa Wumiyuru, Mama Kapombon now. Mala Jenjena Nyantechi. Yeah, now, ever calling and be one Jenjen. One as a woman, but the man is now one of my Jenjen now. So, you know what I got one apalo, the one I jam, I can Jenjen nine, what a mamba no boom. So, Kamawa and I am. Naja Mambora yellow so poor year. So Ghana Jena yellow song and Ghana. The need yellow so yellow. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Honorable Kennedy. Blanet my ear dogger and the black woman ear dogger. One bundle, yeah by yen. So, yeah. Yeah, Daola. Kemine Aba, Kemine Ba, one bundle, but that tonight to my but the year teacher one. Ben bundle, so one ola. Anna pouring. Ka Lorana, Ajilu, Ona Lora, Temalo.
I was my main person a cacrawa home. Nayentie Minchla my drink academy. One say, Ye mubi no. Ye walk pa eti. We have good spirit. Se nipa biya so wo good spirit ya ho. Uhu obi o ye ni papa. Uhu no because sa goodness in you no attract. You understand? And ye mubi ye ni kana Japan a chikeke o. Ye mubi ye support to ken keke o. And I am happy today say Sanya ye mubi sha sia de da no anampo about 3-4 years ago krana kan one no me kan bibi akra so be stand for presidency krano na ye mubi na ye prayers and ye mubi na ye anticipation say one day can e best sanadua be ye president. In the meanwhile I heard him on media and say or programs be no or can or no the na so be president on per president on per so be the Ghana president on the or and who and those things. Ne hame because I have seen something positive in this man. Say onipa we be president e beboa. Wo a wo hwe me. Unnimu no kware no. And the truth is what? The truth is that Honorable Agyapong, he has a key, he has a solution, he has antidote to Ghana's problem. You know it. Unim say Ghana ye that way. Yeah, how ye indiscipline. When it comes to physical, your friend, physical, that is financial management. Ubianim. People chop money, people take money, people eat money with, impudence. No fear, nothing. Crawford this guy left to right center. And you be sounds or more a person be president D. Show be a track record, ne show be a say, Nempo show be a say, Sani Panina, no person babe president or Ghana. Obi what that charisma. And also obi what those characteristics be a chile say obey somebody who can discipline the system. No, the answer is no. Only power will bet me a discipline system or no any Kennedy Agyapong because one so be a sorry a Japan or yet or pentokwa nebufu or kasa. Yes, because this is the person who bet me a discipline system because Ghanaians are not disciplined in nature. You mumra, ye ye pe, and you beat the second Japan after Rollins. Yes, there will be out ni behavior and ni be piano. On second Japan, the same military man. Yes, all the time here, Juma. One the video now, no, cassette time, corner minister, or uncle two, time one, I also work mama, or circle. And people don't like him because one who say, can bar, they may lose their job. Until now, can I be a target or be a threat among, and it almost have gag, they have gag against him. And you all say, Nipano. One more pecking and some no Makodi Baumiana Monadina Chinina, and yes, you, yes, I am telling you, they have that fear, say, candy or bar, accord into the morning, or be hanging, accord about bay sing, or Bobby obey, and no. And the sikadia, wo shame me, Ghana near would tear me and I will shame me, and wouldn't say Ghana yet that when the problem in your necessity, dear corruption, how mine. Now, be some say corruption, one more pleno. One bit me as of corruption, Baumia no bit me at Baumia. My dick can come in Baumia and Yasam, or a fantastic vice president. He's a good guy, or a very intellectual, or a smart guy. But Baumia by your president, and yet who ya Obian Srono, Baumia to one Srono, or no, as a Tommy Grana said, would dear grow, and nay, just a free baby, Benas, Rassi, and Monade, agro. Obian, 1 year self discipline, Biano, one day, or tries of best so nipenina, and to her Baumia to say, send your enemy a man, I bet send Papa Akufa Pepe, or tries to be pleasing everybody in the country. In the neighbor, maybe who Muslim, no, be who Muslim, now, Wakojina, a Christopher, sorry, them, Wakonia, the inside so Bompire, no, Akohano, yes, saying, because he want to live. Yes, it's good. Men can say wrong, so a Muslim, I be called Christopher, I sorry for ye, Ako Bompire. But, sir, I uncle far person no be a come and so person no be a and nothing about Brunese familiarity breach what contempt. Until only Nipanina, person only Nipanina come no be a cancer Baumia there is a good man Baumia do you. How can a bastard now a president? I bet then what may discipline or subordinate. You can't discipline your subordinates, and that is what is happening in a Kufado Mamum. Because Kufado say, well, no be a come or no be a fine, and Obi a bonecra was also unity. The Baumia Moto Abama Baumian Bamia Eba president, and yet whom ya Crawford will be this guy left and right, won't mean you'll be a who. John Mahama better not for the same thing. He pleased all the people on the media for no norm to have near to draft, near the agro, never namaha, or person no be a fine, or no nipping by a fine. And no society nipper bidding quasia, some wound minka. And the John Mahama or buy it the same problem. I could follow to say the same thing, but me also bad the same thing. But also be a point taken in Japan because one more was good spread. No more no man who yet at the penal. Obia who say, Utie audio ya me boy ya. One who can't think no nipa amwankasa voluntarily. Voluntarily, and yes, or convincing will be so be made joining the team no, the campaign team no. But look at this lecturer. Yeah, can be a walkita message. And your brother can check what an ako. Anomalco, uno and what in a rest now my lectures. It's not about brother can and your lectures are some year can. Yeah, can't be a bit me a fix on any problem. The zone saying name, hey, and from an idea, just Kennedy Agyapong from an idea, and boy, you. Agye baabiaa. It is a bit so best than you, and for plot to be a mobile for Agyapong. He will become president. But somebody come back and tell them, say, ye movie, ye who knows vision long ago, and it is coming into reality. Me say it will come to pass. Ken will become president. That is the message. Why when you campaign team on any play actually? Because in Antachi and Okasai, look at how a man win at the Akomapa a year so build the Ghana football. But a nipper be a cobo and nasi pa no more and trapono. Cronezu I can Ghana hobia your crom for Muna yebi. Then you have a second day from the discipline system. No Moko in Antachi free way, and also. That one who get to Krikunin and Croft, one will be as a Ghana football, and then as the competition be a Muntamin qualify. More qualified, more first thing, and near you, my friend. To a who empty Kennedy Agyapong, a Nipan and Namo, a more campaigning man, or me a very decent people, or me a Croft, or me a Leonard, or my dream will be, and they have the vision. The same me, I'm here. Man who said man, or any papa. Me say, enya brofo, when men mako school, and I'm get a PhD, I could brofo, no my lectures you. Yamfa no mine. Ghana ne wo honey or mine, nipe timuna sword dinner. Nipe tip or many mono, you're very difficult people, and omumra. It a no bit is a can or no one farmers in a year crown, no minister, and also a year, but Pamon one, also be me accident to one, and no man. Ain't it? The message never simple. Semu pesta Ghana no ebe konanim. Na mo pedwuma dia e no mo kan. If you need job, it's Kennedy Agyapong. Omo mo jira nyina from Mahama so ko say na jo mama ono oba otimi create adwuma. Ono na krom friends say bole bamboy. Say me nim bole because me twa mu ko ba bia Kennedy Agyapong jina no ye jira pa ma ya adwuma jira pa. I mean hospital for many years and I fi Ghana anti when one gasa ceremony ba na kra jo man better as when me anya hwe man ngrofo wo ceremony ho. Ba Kennedy Agyapong wa hu dom a mu di nachi no mo nsam o mo ka. And areas no career back up. Now can you point the people's choice? Yes, the incoming president. And in Pahon near concert of who better than a whole now failure and growphobi. They say the money message you. And it's all about Agyapong. Agyapong. Oh, yes, and be a son come back Agyapong who. Oh, Agyapong Muadia, Nekoko Hano. I know Casa. Was ya? Here will be obeying Yabu Maya and Azi here. Or Casanzo what? Abusi amisi amechi odini Agye chosumafo ye do bibia but Honorable Agyapong, the incoming president, we salute you tonight. Good night everybody. But I'm saying say who God bless me say Ken will become president whether you like it or not. And the more I'm near Brennan and Huna Mokan and no call one. This is just a rousing welcome. You need to dinner. Meanwhile, I think about me yesterday morning. Mahama's in prison. But I can Japan don't want dinner because of who said, Ken, or you'll be a just say, oh, Pejuma no more can say a Pejuma ya can. What is the moon? We here just in so keke irrigation, the I found Munya also Obana Bemamubi. So, one pedia is over to you. Yes. The Agyapong the nano me say, I'm saying, what betting to the home, baabiaa street in the swing in our got to boys in the street boys, no. And I may share with you post here if we boys are not some from freedom fighters and feed the country free. Most of them in the Agyapong. These are floating voters. That is a fact. Yes, that is a fact. They can't Nyamina choose no. And you cannot do anything. Into one more party anymore, or more can same be, and I can no more dear no more party for no DMPP for them. Now, more young was as a mamma can some more Jimism. Yajimism living in say, one cassan crofo more to a bama, more grassroots, maniglet or more promotion. Yajimism Nibidono. Now, Sabio. Near no boa more year campaign, the machi grassroots, full soldiers, one. A protected ballot no Albania president no man neglect no form one. Kind of caucasian munyans of war, also or yo. Nani or no muno, ebe boam what me wini pawano, unya wini pawano, u referee no. Next election, but no better than our contingent. Nti Kennedy asem bi obeka bia no, he has a reason to speak that way. Nti ko kan say we did party for atom. We did matter say. Enye jimi sam na mo yi. Mo ma appointment kro no tumi ka che say president appointment we a wo man. E di asem be basa nkrofo mo nye correct. Emfa mo obeka muntie. At the end of the day so no na sa akoye disaster. E benim alamisi e friends Martin Amidu. E di na kan anka. E wi as ye hu ne si yo. O Sunday appointment akoma Kisia Jabin so the same thing and I can't be can you say obi kro ye lawyer man na say or ye thief or ye cromfo and fast office ne man no man tie and them one so ochuma bo so yes because mo jiminti ndi kan ko kan say mo ye cromfo mo jimi a mo se mo ntia ase ona bo kan Japan me say wo de be we no and how omu message as say omu ko ba bi omu nya sem bianka and one is omu akono mo because mo message ni say e de na wo kan e come visit Ghana for wa ho kire mu ne ba go yie e de na wo ko kan ana madika kan free SHS no did hu mpre no 2016 wodi nyaare 2020 wodi anya 2024 on say campaign won timi nka free SHS ho asem because on dey atwam they say obi anu say yes maye they say DM bio na wo beka as they so bia say wako IMF see they no fall down I depreciate ya say they just be $1 na twetwe ne munam e de ahokyera Ghana and the fuel boarding and yema bo kosoro ahokyere wo ho enipa nya adwuma na de this is ensama nkrofo so how are you addressing those things then I make say Akufo-Addo ko a wo ne wo ba hu anyina monko pension retirement monko jima home be ma be ye bi but you can't just separate Akufo-Addo from Baumia. Woman na abu man on this and go ye. Wo ma megina home Ghana for to abama. Yes. Because Obian him say one higher vice president. Na say amoni go ye ne near ma ayabasa. Oh se Ghana want to abama wo me pre. Na fe so beto ama. And you need message be abeka. I didn't abeka. Me ba me digitalization and those things. I know. People need job. And your solution, I'll bet me a creative job on any kind of Japan. Yes. And then Crawford have confidence in the party to vote for MPP. Baumia wujina wa me say Baumia no onye boni bi o back. That one Akufo-Addo kura ho hindi no me say na hwese na Ghana for most of this na the social media so abufuo ni nyina is coming from Akufo-Addo. And only Akufo-Addo so na ebu man. How can you distance yourself? You cannot. Ain't obia di Baumia temwa Akufo-Addo ntia. Yes. Akufo-Addo nti. Nti wu Akufo-Addo nkotena fie ma wo meye president you. Enye ye because Ghana for no mpe wani mu ahwe. That is the issue. MPP party no dia yes e be so. Say na ohwe mu ade say omo wo positions nyina ministers no there say Akufo-Addo na mo appointment and the ministers deputy ministers and then kwakora na wo party no there na omo nyina kodi Baumia because they want to safeguard their position. Ya behwe grassroots for no they will speak the truth. They will speak the truth. They will speak and they will choose Kennedy Agyapong over Baumia. And I don't know me so for be a video. Na me the pants worker. Say nipa 9, say nipa 10 more contest. Na ba ko and na munyina to go na chi. Na munyina the government machinery ne support no. Ne campaign everything na matu di na chi. Na afi the party office for more than ne Baumia office na mo de ne pi ono nko photos ne pictures na teta ho. Because ya wama minister nti, wama deputy minister nti. Ebeye mosisini me de masem si ha but my dikaka me say Kennedy no ohina Japan obi entimi ensi ne kwa no onye MPP ni o ne nam street kura so no support no because obi ehun say mo pen no kware de ya ken na mo ton ebeto because ono ne ho ni asem bia o ton kwadu anu ayi ne mirika o ba de na obeka fa Kennedy Agyapong no obeka ne se Kennedy o pentokwa Kennedy o kasa na no ya e na Kennedy o mu ade ni oba beka no oba beka no e no so yemfa mu man say o kasa ne bufu yes ne bu efu susu nti ne be na discipline mo yes nyɛ sɛ akɔfu ade te hɔ yi ɔda hɔ yi ɔte hɔ ɔda hɔ yi ɔte hɔ ɔda hɔ yi anaasɛ ɔte hɔ yi a mu di sika na mu gyimi yi o kɛnyɛ pɔn no mu suro no because mu nim sɛ ɔba a ɔbɛha mo mo bebree adwuma bɛfiri mu nsa nti mo ntoma no ɛne ɛne deɛ masa mo forget it abusuam si a mekyerɛ bibia ɛdi ne Agye Church follow me on YouTube and Facebook. Bye bye.